In this video, I will show you how to fix Messenger delivered icon not showing problem on Messenger. Fix this problem, follow the step. Open Play Store and update your Messenger app latest version. Tap on search. From here, you make sure your Messenger apps is updated. If your Messenger app is not updated, then update your Messenger app. Helps to fix Messenger delivered icon not showing problem on Messenger. Step 2. Open your phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on app. Tap on manage apps. Search Messenger application. Tap on Messenger and click on storage. Then tap on clear data. Tap on clear cache. Step 3. Restart your device. Step 4. Open your phone setting. Check your internet or Wi-Fi connection properly. Step 5. Open your Messenger apps. Solve this problem. If this video helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe my channel.